Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro, and I'm going to do a really quick studio mic comparison video. One of the things touted for the new Surface Pro 7 was the improved microphone setup on the device. So we're going to go ahead and record audio on the Surface Pro 7. This is the Surface Pro 7 i7, and I actually didn't originally get this device because I was concerned about fan noise. Now, this is set to best battery. Oh, it's not set there. This should be over here in battery savings. Basically, to keep the fan from starting up, and using this in OneNote and other really light tasks, I was concerned about there being noise at church when I was at church or in class when I'm in class. And this has actually been very quiet during the couple of times I've tested this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and switch to the Surface Pro 6. And let's see. And then we're going to do videos together, and you should be able to hear the difference between both the iPhone 11 Pro audio recording, which is what's recording this video right now, the Surface Pro 7 audio, and the Surface Pro 6 audio. This is the Surface Pro 6 i5 model, and again, that's the Surface Pro 7 i7. So I know that's pretty confusing, but I think so far this should give us a good enough test on those different systems. All right, that's it. You guys, please let me know what things you'd like me to test on the Surface Pro 7. Some things I can test on the Surface Pro X. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will continue to make videos on these. Keep your eyes open also for the Surface Pro 7 best accessories video that I have coming out soon. That one's going to be awesome and very, very useful. All right, thanks again. Take care and stay creative.